What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. And now with that said, let's dive into today's video. Warning, don't do this. We are not responsible for any sudden urge to twist the throttle when you see blue lights. This video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. The writers in these clips are professionals at making bad decisions. If you're a writer like that and happen to stumble upon clips you want featured, submit them to mototherapyclip@gmail.com. Oh shit, police lights in the distance. Let's see how far this goes. In the clear. Little does this biker know, he just turned a routine ride into a full-blown chase. One wheelie in front of the wrong cop. Now it's on. Let's see if he gets away. This clip's a bit different, but stick around to find out how insanely lucky this biker was compared to his friends. Also, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos.
Yeah, I know. Fuck. Don't take your helmet off. Don't take your helmet off. Just be ready. Just get gas. I need to get gas. I didn't get gas over there. Oh, cops right here. Is that cop waiting for us?
Yes.
Fucking everywhere, bro. No, is he moving? He's moving. I think he's waiting. Yeah, dude. I think they called us ahead, bro. Fuck. They're pulling up on us. I'm getting arrested, bro. They're pulling up. Fuck. Fuck. You got a cam going?
Get here?
Yeah.
Alright. You got your ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
Yeah, let me grab it. I got you.
Were you with these two guys?
Yeah, but I was way behind them.
Okay. Well, the slowest I got on radar was 117. The highest was 123. That's why we're contacting them right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all traveling in tandem. One of the other guys booked it.
No, I don't know. I don't think that other guy was with us. I think he just on the way up here. Well, I'm guessing they're getting his ass too. Oh, shit.
Where y'all coming from, bro?
Just San Antonio.
Okay. Where y'all headed to right now?
We just gotta come here and then head back. Just because weather's been pretty cold and today was kind of nice.
Give me a second, okay?
Alright, sounds good. Fuck, Brandon. Oh. What do you think? They're gonna impound their shit?
I don't know. I don't have my endorsement.
Alright.
Do you?
I do, yeah.
Fuck. They said they're pulling us over for speed.
Dude, the guy said the lowest radar we had was 117. I mean, it's true. We didn't slow down at all. Wave away from this guy.
That's why I parked earlier. I was just like, I don't know these guys.
I know, I fucked up. I saw him pull up, and I'm like, fuck, he's moving on us. I just didn't want to run. This nigga. R3, bruh. Fuck. I don't know what the fuck they're gonna do. There's a lot of bikes.
Yeah, I know.
There's a lot of us. They might just fucking count their lot. I should have kept going. I didn't want to stop. But I think they're on fucking Tony. Tony took off. Toki was straight. We all got off the highway.
Yeah, Tony's not running late.
What are they saying? I don't know.
Dude.
And I'm like, what the fuck are we doing? I told him, but no.
Everything checked out on your bike. Were you behind these guys or in front of them?
Behind them. No, I'm slow.
Slower.
Slower, yeah.
Like I said, I got y'all 117, 123, like all day long.
Yeah.
The white bike's getting towed.
The white bike?
So he's gonna have to type of ride. I know y'all don't know each other. You said y'all, what you said.
No, I mean just we met up on the highway. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, bro. Mind your speed, man, because you going that fast, or all of y'all going that fast, you don't just go to jail for reckless driving.
Yeah. I mean.
That's why we're doing what we're doing. Every time we get to a bike crash, we're dead.
Yeah.
Every time. I mean, you know this. You ride.
Yeah.
I used to ride. So
What'd you used to have?
I rode a Harley B-Rod.
Okay. Oh, hell yeah. Nice.
Did you get him for pacing? Are you pacing now?
Okay.
You're good?
What?
I don't know.
Why?
I'm just making sure they're not getting tickets for pacing.
You can still get a ticket for pacing.
I'm just making sure they're not for pacing.
Doesn't matter.
We all have cameras and everything, and I know they're not pacing. With that guy was saying that he was pacing people. They're not pacing.
You can still get a ticket for pacing.
I know, but I'm saying he's trying to say that people my wife's looking for someone getting paid, like he's pacing someone for the speed, for speeding, right?
That different.
And we have all the cameras, right? That's and
Who?
that guy. He's pacing.
Oh, I don't know about him. I didn't stop.
They separate?
I didn't stop him.
I was separate. Y'all are separate from. Yeah. Okay. I just want to make sure.
I mean, it doesn't matter, bro. You can get a ticket for pacing. And your camera will show your speed.
Exactly.
Right? So, I mean, you have your own evidence. Everybody's calling
Attorneys and stuff, they do it.
That's wild. It's like, in front of me is crazy.
I know. That's how it is.
Who all was holding that? Like, who all was holding that?
Those two, they got stopped for something else. I mean, they're speeding too, but
I mean, sorry, it was after we all got here.
Man, where the fuck were y'all at, man? Because I was riding solo from that way.
Yeah, I was gonna say I was going solo.
Well, no, we got stuck. We stopped at the Bucky.
Everyone just started pulling all at once.
Yeah, there was so much traffic. We kind of just all met up.
Yeah, no, I was solo from all the way like Papua New Braunfels down here.
you're good, bro.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you.
You know what happened?
Dude, we all fucking passed them going like 130.
How many people?
There's 4 of us. Yeah, I mean, I was fucking pinned trying to catch up to him, and then I saw him turn on his lights. We all look, and we're like, nah, he's not gonna come. So then we pull in here, and we saw the cop, and I'm like, dude, we should go, because that guy doesn't have a plate. And then one of our dudes took off. He's like, I'll take the bait.
Wait, how are you getting away with no ticket?
Because he's getting impounded.
Who?
The white bike, no plate, R6.
No.
Yeah, dude.
You got lit up.
Yeah, he just gave me my shit. Yeah, he's like, yo, you good, brother?
That's crazy because they got one bike, so they're like, I'm happy, I got my mission done.
I mean, I told him, I was like, because they pulled up in front of me, because I mean, obviously they're fucking faster.
Him over there?
Yeah, I know her.
Fuck me, dude. Brandon's getting fucked. Yeah. Alright, chat. See what happened. We're in shambles. Fucking bikes got impounded. Fucking 120. I'll show the ticket. 120 and a 70. Everyone got fucking fat ass tickets. That's fucking terrible.